Before buying a wall-hung toilet, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Spirich Bathroom Cabinet. Let's kick things off with the Spirich Bathroom Cabinet. Priced at $64.99, this wall-mounted beauty caught my eye with its elegant design. If you want to add some stylish storage above your toilet, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Made from quality manufactured wood, it's not just pretty but built for durability. The adjustable shelf helps store different sized items, while the open bottom shelf makes access easy. This is especially handy if you're tired of clutter in your bathroom. With over 500 units sold last month, it seems like more folks are looking for practical and stylish solutions. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, if you follow the numbered parts carefully, you'll get it done without too much hassle. Just take your time and you'll be set. This is perfect for you if you're looking to maximize space and add a touch of elegance to your bathroom. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional cabinet style. For the price, it offers solid value and looks great too. Now, if the assembly fuss bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Smart Silva Heated Toilet. The Smart Silva Basic Smart Function Wall-Hung Toilet Combo, priced at $468. What caught my attention was its sleek design combined with a built-in water tank. If you're after comfort and innovation, this one's definitely worth a look. The heated seat is a game changer, especially on cold mornings, with 4 adjustable temperature settings. It also features auto flushing and a foot sensor, so you can flush hands-free. Imagine the convenience when you don't have to touch anything. With a siphon jet flush system that uses an average of 1.28 GPF, it's efficient too. This means less water waste, which is great for your bills. Now, some users found the foot sensor a bit too sensitive at times, but honestly, once you get used to it, it's a neat feature that makes things easier. This is perfect for tech lovers who appreciate convenience and a modern touch. Skip this if you prefer a more manual, traditional toilet setup. For the price, it offers a lot of advanced features. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a stylish design.
Product number 3, Myjic Wall-Hung Toilet. Let's talk about the Myjic Wall-Hung Toilet, priced at $159.99. The yacht-inspired design is what really stands out here. If you want something that saves space while looking sleek, this is definitely worth considering. The wall-mounted design means there's no hard-to-reach base to clean, which is a huge plus for hygiene. Plus, its powerful direct flush technology ensures a clean bowl every time without leaving any residue behind. This is especially helpful if you're tired of scrubbing. With a strong load-bearing capacity, you won't have to worry about durability either. However, some customers mention that it can feel a bit cramped for taller individuals. Here's the thing though, if you're in a smaller bathroom, this design can really open up the space and make it feel bigger. This is perfect for anyone wanting a modern, space-saving toilet without compromising on efficiency. Skip this if you need something more traditional or spacious. For the price, it offers fantastic features for compact living. Now, if the design of the last toilet impressed you, the next one might just blow your mind with its smart features.
Product number 4, Smart Silva Black Toilet. The Smart Silva Black Smart Wall-Hung Toilet Combo, priced at $872. This one's really something special with its stylish black finish. If you're looking for a toilet that's as high-tech as it is chic, you'll want to hear about this. It comes with a built-in bidet, heated seat, and even an auto open-close lid. The pre-wet feature makes cleaning easier, and the foot sensor for flushing adds more hands-free convenience. The added aromatherapy feature is a unique touch, ensuring your bathroom smells fresh. Its integrated water tank is a huge bonus, eliminating the need for extra plumbing work. However, some users felt it was a bit pricey compared to simpler models. I get that it's an investment, but think about all the luxury features you're getting here. This is perfect for anyone wanting a luxurious experience in their bathroom. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, more budget-friendly option. For the features included, it's worth the splurge if you can manage it. Now, if the luxury aspect caught your attention, the final product is another smart option with impressive features.
Product number 5, Meije Smart Toilet. We have the Meije Smart Wall-Hung Toilet Combo, priced at $854. This model combines high-tech features with a sleek design that stands out. If you're all about convenience and modern aesthetics, this is definitely worth a look.
The built-in bidet and heated seat are must-haves for comfort. The motion sensors that open and close the lid automatically add a touch of luxury to your bathroom experience. It also has a foam shield for easier cleaning, and the blackout slush function ensures you won't be left without a working toilet during a power outage. The quick installation process is a big plus too. That said, a few users mentioned that the remote control can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's pretty straightforward and enhances your daily routine. This is perfect for tech-savvy individuals wanting a high-end bathroom experience. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward manual toilet. For the features you get, it's a solid investment.
So, there you have it. 5 fantastic wall-hung toilets that cater to various needs and preferences. Whether you're after something stylish, high-tech, or budget-friendly, there's an option for you. Just make sure to weigh the pros and cons based on your personal needs. Happy shopping!